Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use text template in CapCut PC. So it's very simple. Just going to text and select text template and select you like available here. For instance, I'm going to select this icon, just like and text, just change the text. For instance, just for the size and then yeah, can add the effect or change the templates for the text. So here we go. That's how to use text template in CapCut PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.